Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Metz Google TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of our screen, then scroll down to the system, then click on About, and here as a third option there's Reset. We can click on OK and then proceed with factory reset. Here confirm it. Now we need to erase everything. Just wait a few moments. As you can see, it took some time to actually accept that, and now our TV should return to factory settings. Okay, so it took around 3 minutes for it to reset, and now it's done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.